about yards, inches, and feet and the differences between them. So we know a ruler is 12 inches long. Each one of these right here is 1 inch, and then there are 12 of them, so that gives you 12 inches. 12 inches is referred to 1 foot. So in a foot, there are 12 inches. Now, if you remember back from when we were making our catapults, we used a yardstick. A yardstick is 3 of these. If you laid them end to end, that's how long a yardstick is. So a yardstick, here's my yardstick picture. It's a little small, but a yardstick is made up of 3 rulers. So if you laid 3 of these end to end to end, you would have a yardstick. That's more useful when you're measuring something long, like when we did our jumps of our cars and stuff during our catapults unit. You wouldn't use a yardstick to measure something that's very small. You'd want to use the right tool. So maybe if you're measuring how long your kitchen counter was or how big your room was, you could use a yardstick. So every yard is 3 feet. And then there are 12 inches in a foot. So if I wanted to find how many inches are in a yard, I would do 12 plus 12 plus 12, which is 36. So there are 36 inches in a yard. Today, during math, you're going to be doing some measuring and then figuring out how much each was. Then they're asking line A is about blank inches longer than line B. You'll write your answer here. Same thing, measuring to see the difference. Remember, you start right at the beginning of the line there. Now here you're solving problems. Almost imagine that the FT for feet isn't there. Just think of it as a regular problem, but that's the unit. Same thing here and here. Blank feet minus 43 feet equals 18 feet. So think what you need to do with these numbers to circle back to the answer. Tammy and Martha both built fences on their properties. Tammy's fence is 54 yards long. Martha's fence is 29 yards longer than Tammy's. So I see yards. I know I'm working in the same unit. So this person's is 54. This person's is 29 yards longer. They want to know how long is Martha's fence, so figure your math. And then what's the total length of both fences? You're going to have to use information from this problem part A to figure out your answer for there. So again, 1 foot has 12 inches. 1 yard has 3 feet.